Hi, welcome to my channel Leon Thompson 017. If you are new here, you might want to subscribe for the latest contents. Today, we are diving deep into the world of real estate flipping and show you how to turn properties into profits. Real estate flipping is a popular and potentially lucrative strategy for making $100,000 in a month. It involves purchasing properties, renovating them, and then selling them quickly for a profit. Here's a detailed guide on how to achieve this goal. 1. Research the market. Start by researching the real estate market in your desired area. Look for neighborhoods with rising property values and a high demand for housing. Use online real estate platforms, local real estate agents, and market reports to gather information on property trends and prices. 2. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your flipping strategy. Set clear goals, including the number of properties you aim to flip, your budget, and your expected profit margins. Your plan should also detail your renovation strategy, timeline, and target market. 3. Secure financing. Obtain the necessary financing to fund your property purchases and renovations. Options include traditional mortgages, hard money loans, private lenders, or partnerships. Ensure you have a solid financial plan to cover costs such as purchase price, renovation expenses, permits, and unexpected repairs. 4. Build a reliable team. Assemble a team of professionals to assist you in your flipping venture. This should include a real estate agent with experience in investment properties, a contractor or handyman, an interior designer, and possibly a real estate attorney. A reliable team can help streamline the process and avoid costly mistakes. 5. Find the right properties. Look for properties that are undervalued or in need of renovation. Use real estate listings, auctions, foreclosure sales, and networking with other investors to find potential deals. Focus on properties with good bones that need cosmetic upgrades or minor structural repairs. 6. Analyze potential deals. Conduct thorough due diligence on each property you consider. Assess the property's condition, potential renovation costs, and the after-repair value on it. Use tools like the 70% rule, which suggests buying properties at 70% of the ARV minus renovation costs to ensure a profitable investment. 7. Negotiate and purchase. Once you've identified a promising property, negotiate the purchase price to get the best deal possible. Be prepared to walk away if the terms don't meet your investment criteria. Use contingencies in your contract to protect yourself from hidden issues.